guys, welcome back once again to my channel. I'm very happy to have you here at this particular moment. I thank you very much for your support. You are really helping this channel to grow, so I say may God bless you. Now, if this is your first time visiting this channel, then kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button, like our videos, drop your comment in the comment section, and share our videos with your friends and family members. Alright, so in this lesson we are going to look at how you can become a data bundle agent, how you can register as a data bundle agent and buy data bundle at a cheap cost and sell to other people at a profitable cost. So we are not going to use any application in this lesson. We are going to use a particular website. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning till it ends, because if you skip any part, you miss some important steps during the process. So please don't also forget to turn on the notification button. Alright, now let's look at something here quickly. We all know that data bundle is something that you need to have access to the internet, and as a businessman or as a businesswoman, you need data bundle to run the day-to-day affairs of your business. Students need data bundle, teachers need data bundle, everybody in this world need data bundle to run his or her daily affairs. But now the cost of data bundle has gone up in the world, making it difficult for people to buy data bundle for their businesses and other things. So in this video I will show you, or I will teach you, how you can buy data bundle at a cheap cost and sell to people at a very profitable cost that can help you to also get extra money into your pocket. So let's quickly go to Google Chrome. Let's go to the Google Chrome and launch our browser for this particular website. So when you launch your browser, let's come to the top here and type spfast spfast.site. Good. So spfast.site here. So click on it and let's go to the website. That is the website that we are going to use for this particular training. Alright, so this is the interface of this website. This is the interface. So you can scroll down to check more about this. Please, no one will show you a website like this. This is the website that most people selling data bundle online are using. So let's click on the three dots here and let's click on register, because we are new members. So let's click on register here. When you click on register, a different menu will pop up. So they will ask you your username, your first name. So let's enter the username there. So let's say my username is okay, and then the first name is Joe, the last name is, let's say the last name is Wisdom. Okay, then they will ask for your email address, so you type your email address there. Then the next thing that they will ask is your phone number, so you type your phone number also there. When you are done with your phone number, another thing they will ask is your WhatsApp number, so you type your WhatsApp number here and let's continue. Now, after entering your WhatsApp number, the next thing is your profession. So let's say you are unemployed. Good. Then they will ask of your hometown. So ACCRA, Accra. Registration date, the date on which you are registering for this portal. So today's date is 15th. So you enter it July 2023. 15th July 2023. Gender, are you a male or female? You click on the one that is good for you. So let me select male. After that, we need to accept the terms and conditions. Do you accept full responsibility of your actions? Yes. You click on yes. Now, the last thing that we are going to do is to set password. We are going to set password here. So let me type my password and we continue. Alright, so when you type the password, they will ask you to confirm it again. So the password that you entered here, make sure that you enter the same thing here to confirm it. So let me confirm it. Okay, so that is it. That is it. We are done with this one. Now, let's click on register. Click on register and let's wait for the portal to load. Okay, so we are done with the registration. So this is the portal now. Now, let's click on these three dots, icons there to log in. Now you have the portal, so let's click on login. Alright, when you click on login, this is how it will come. So the email address that you use during the registration, you enter it here. And then the password that you set when you were registering, you enter that password to here. Alright, so when you enter the password here, when you enter the password and the email address here, you come to login. So let me click on login and let's see what will happen. Alright, so when you click on login, you cannot log in because let's look at something here. Your account has not been approved yet. So guys, this one, it involves a token. You need to register with a fee. You need to pay approval fee, which is 100 Ghana cedis before the administrators of the page can approve it for you. So if you are interested and you want to be buying cheap data bundle from this website and be selling to people at a profitable cost, then kindly contact me on 0540620528 for the approval. Thank you very much. If you think this video has really changed something in your life, if you think this video is important and it has really helped you, then kindly click on the subscribe button, then on the notification button for all, so that whenever we upload an interesting video like this, you will not miss it. So thank you very much. Let's meet in the next tutorials. Bye bye.